Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope your piano practice are going well and you are enjoying my series. And please don't forget to comment to get me motivated to make more videos like this. Okay, so in the last class, in the fourth lesson, we have done the C chord. I already explained in that lesson that what is chord. Just to revise, C, E, G. If you press this together, there's a C chord. If you haven't seen the previous videos, please check the description box and watch them all, then come to this lesson. It will help you to learn step by step. Okay, so we have done with the C chord and we practiced C chord. Now, moving with our other chords, we will start today F chord. Okay, so why we are going from C to F? Because it's easy to remember. As C start from C, you know the C note easily and easily you find the F note. So each key has different chords, right? Like from C I can play the C major, C minor, C diminished, C augmented, and C seventh. So lot of chords, but for the basic thing we need to learn the basic chords. So first C we learned. Now same position, same fingering in our right hand. 1, 3, 5, same way. F, 1, 3, 5. Between there two notes are left. So F, A, C, F chord. Same with our left hand. F, A, C, F chord. Now play both hands together. F chord. I think now you are able to play both hands together as you already played the C chord with both hands together if you have seen the previous video. If you can play the C chord easily with both hands, I'm sure you can play the F chord with both hands. Still, if you are not able to do it, that's okay. First we will try with our right hand. Make sure you are keeping your position in a one time. Don't try to set it one by one. Keep going down and up. One time. One time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Remove. Then make it less time. 2. Now one time. 1. Same with the left hand. Once you are able to do it easily with 4 times, make sure reduce the timing. 3. Now 2. Now 1. Now both hands. Remove. 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 Now go ahead with the 2 times. And finally 1. 1. Okay. So this is the one thing we know now. C chord, F chord. What is the second step? To jump from one chord to another. So in starting maybe you have little bit trouble, but I'm pretty sure once you practice this, you will be able to play. So C, same hand position going here. C, If suppose you are not able to play one time, then again this is a trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Increase the timing. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing with both hands, but yes, you have to try one by one. So suppose we are doing right now. 1, 2, 1, 2. Left. You can go more slow according to your speed. Then try to together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is not only the place you can do it. You can try all over your keyboard or piano to shifting the C and F chord. Or you can try in different ways. So this is a way to practice. So it's all about the practice. Teaching is also important, but yes, more than teaching, I prefer the practice is more than important. Correct? So if I only teach and you don't practice, then you will not get a feedback. And yes, please share your experience with me if you are able to play that or not. Okay, so this is for today. Try this first, then we will move with another chord and another lesson. Thanks for watching.